AMC stock up 17%. Let's talk about what's happening in the marketplace. Before we start, guys, my name is Umar Khan, and I create this channel to talk about stocks, hot picks, hot topic stocks, and value stocks. So if you want to watch videos like that, do make sure you subscribe and join the journey. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers by the end of February. And if you haven't already, make sure you join the Discord community. It's a growing community. We have 200 plus members, and we have active conversations. I'll let you guys know when I buy and sell stocks, so join it. It's totally free down below. Now, let's jump into the video. Today, AMC stock shoots up 17%, and a lot of investors are wondering why. What caused the stock price to shoot up? Well, there was some news this morning. AMC is going to be reopening 13 locations on March 5th, and the capacity is limited to 25% with no more than 50 people per screen. So this is obviously big news because you got to understand, what is AMC? It's an entertainment business. It's a movie theater company. When they have their movie theaters open, they have money being generated. So with that being said, with the movie theaters opening, it looks like it's creating a little bit of hype and causing movement for the stock to rise. Now, depending on what price point you entered, tomorrow might be a really great day for you to take some profits and re-enter at a dip, because I'm telling you guys right now, just looking at the chart, we're gonna see fluctuations in AMC for sure. We're probably gonna see AMC touch $10 in the following weeks to come, especially when the movie theaters start to open up again. But once other cities start to reopen, that's when larger profits come in. Because you guys gotta understand, with the movie theater industry, when somebody goes to a movie, they typically don't go alone, and when they do go, they typically don't just watch the movie. They end up buying snacks with overpriced popcorn, overpriced drinks. They're creating a lot of revenue very, very fast. So this is just gonna be a growing thing. And again, guys, there's so many people that are cooped up at home that are just ready to go somewhere. For my day job, I sell glasses, and people literally come out of their homes back when we were essential service only, just come on buy glasses, and they're so excited because that's the only reason for them to leave their home. So now that movie theaters are open, people are just gonna be excited to get out there and spend some money. Now let's actually look at the charts and see exactly what's happening, see different trends and potentially points of exit for those of you who entered early on. Now, for my friends who entered in late to the game, kind of like what I did, I think I bought it upwards of $12. I probably wouldn't recommend closing just yet. Keep riding it out. Once the movie theaters are fully back into effect, back making the money they used to, that's when we're going to see perfect exit points and take profits. Okay, so we're looking in the market open pretty hot. We saw a nice rise, touched about $7.74. Then we've seen a dip down about 60 cents. And again, guys, people are buying the dips, and when it gets high, selling, buying, selling, normal trends, nothing crazy, right? We did see it reach right back up over here at the 775 mark, which looks like that's the resistance. Once we could break past the 775 marks, it would probably hit $8, $9 and further. But it looks like the second it touches it peaked at what, 786. Once it touches that 786, that high resistance, it's coming down. It comes down pretty hard. We saw it go from 780 down to 730, so that's another 50 cents on the dollar. And then again, back up, and right now with post market being closed, it's trading at $7.31, which is still a very, very decent day for AMC. Now, we all want AMC to go to the moon. We want to see a crazy short squeeze the same way we did with GameStop. But unfortunately, those days look like they're behind us, and they're not going to be coming back any sooner. However, I said this in a previous video already, it's time to buy the lows and ride this out. Because when we look at history, and history tends to repeat itself, when the markets are good, we see AMC far beyond the $10 mark. So if you're buying in below $10, you're going to easily make $3 a share. I know guys who bought it at $4, and you're going to easily profit. Now, would I suggest buying in right now? You can. If you could buy it at a dip, if you could buy it at the I want to say if you buy it like at the lower $7 mark, just under $6, sure. But right now, there's other value picks. There's other companies you could probably invest in and make more money. But this is more so for my AMC holders. And I mean, you could still buy the dips and ride this out, guys. You can make lots of quick profits, especially depending on the platform you're using and depending on how much fees are costing you. You can do a lot of swing trading with AMC alone because it's so volatile. But for those of you who aren't swing trading and are more of a beginner, we're not going to go too complex into this. I recommend for my swing traders to go watch some more detailed videos on swing trading. But for AMC, guys, we do see this riding out. We do see this breaking the $10 mark in the near future, past the $15 mark once movie theaters are fully back and running, back in operation. We get a couple of blockbusters coming in, and that's going to be the perfect opportunity for you to close. Now, if you're in love with AMC and you're not investing in AMC yet, and you believe in the movie theater business, and I know I just said you probably shouldn't buy in, but again, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research, your own due diligence. But I mean, it's still a great opportunity to buy in, even if you're buying at the $8 mark, guys, because when we're looking in the past, we've seen AMC touch $22 before, not too long ago, about 2 years ago, and then when we go to 2016, we've seen it hit $33. Again, this is when the movie theater time was more popular, but right now, I feel like the demand is built, the hype is built, because we were pushed away, we couldn't go for so long. We could see these companies generate lots of money, and it's funny because AMC is on the verge into bankruptcy, got bailed out, and now it's back in business. It has this new life brought back into it. So it's gonna be very interesting to see what happens. There's rumors still floating around that Amazon could come in and buy an AMC, which would be crazy. There's companies, other big companies that could potentially come in and buy AMC as well. We're gonna have to see what happens. But that being said, guys, make sure you only invest the money you're willing to lose. And it's Umar. Until next time, peace.